Hi, this is Tina Ressler with Virginia Family Dentistry, here to talk to you about bruxism or tooth grinding. A lot of people don't even know they do it. They'll wake up with a chipped tooth, they'll wake up with headaches, a stiff neck, sore jaw. Those are all possible signs that you clench and grind your teeth. You may have some aches and pains, you may think it's sinus related, and it could be, but we are here to help you determine what can be done and how to solve your problem. We encourage you visit the dentist, see if you have micro fractures in your teeth, see if we talk about craze lines and crack lines, wear and tear on your teeth. Those are all things that are related to grinding and clenching. And the more it goes on and on, the more damage can be done. It's kind of like beach erosion. The longer it goes on, the more wear and tear happens. So if we catch it early and get you in a night guard, we can prevent a lot of problems.